So my dear friends, the market is open gap up, but we can see the market is still trading inside the range here. So when market open gap up, okay, many people, many traders believe that finally gold is out of the range. To be honest, I was also hoping for gold to cross 4600 and break the range here, but sadly we can see the gold is struggling inside the range. In our previous videos, we have discussed many times, because gold is in a range, okay, that if gold goes up, then we have two selling opportunities after liquidity grab. The first one was around 4570 and then 4600, and we can see that after a small SL hunting around 4570, okay, market gave us the selling opportunity below 4570. If you have taken the position, I believe that you made some profit in the morning, okay. And if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, then my dear friend, okay, things have not changed much. More or less, whatever we discussed on Saturday are still very much valid. There's a possibility that during the day market may try to go up. So liquidity grab very much possible on a 4600. If market comes down, we can look for a sell below 4600. The yellow box is the next resistance zone, 4585. Sorry, not 485. 4585 to 4600 resistance zone. But if market crosses 4600, yeah, there is a possibility market may come down. If it happens, we can look for a sell below it. And as I have already mentioned 2-3 times in my previous videos also, that my dear friends, we need gold above 4600 for the buyers to come into the scene again. But we cannot buy at breakout, it is risky. So we can only buy when market will take support around 4600, means when the same level will become the new support, means right now it is a resistance. When the same resistance will become the new support, we can buy at pullback, okay, because after buying at breakout, there is a possibility of a false breakout. If market comes down, we will be trapped, okay. So it's better to play safe, and when market will take support on a 4600, 4590, we can buy it pullback, okay. Now let's talk about the bottom scenario here. The bottom scenario is also the same here, okay. Remember 4480, 4475, yes. If market takes support, we can look for a buy. If market breaks also, we won't sell, rather we will just wait for liquidity grab. When market will come up again, we will buy. And the best support is still around 4450. If market takes support on 4450, we can buy there. Try to avoid taking trades on the middle of the chart, because in a range bound market, most of the traders lose money because they enter on the middle of the chart. Because if you enter middle of the chart, there's a possibility of losing money, because our capital is limited. Market is going nowhere. You are tense, okay, you'll be tense because you have a limited capital. So do not make the mistake. If you have a limited capital, if you are trading in a very tight budget, then please do not take these type of bad trades, foolish trades, because you may end up losing money. During the day, there is a possibility of a gap filling here, because market open gap up. As we all know, market doesn't like gaps, so market may try to fill a gap as well. So be careful, stay tight, and do not gamble.